Hello everyone, happy International Yoga Day to all. I am Akshita from 7A, studying in Tirthangal Nadar Vidyalaya. I am practicing yoga for past 5 years under the guidance of Guru Mrs. Sasireka. I love yoga. Yoga is essence of our life. Here I am going to demonstrate few asana and its benefit.
Strength is beauty. Strength. Where does it comes from? Healthy body and healthy mind is the biggest strength and source of human. It can be possible through yoga. Yoga is an art and science of living. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or to unite. It unites the body, mind and soul. The father of yoga is Maharishi Patanjali, the author of ancient scripture, the Yoga Sutra. Asanas are 84 lakhs in number. Let's start with the king of asana, the Sirasasana, headstand posture. The major function of the Sirasasana is it builds immunity and activates the pituitary gland. The entire brain is nourished with blood flow, which helps to improve the memory and concentration. It also keeps the sense organs healthy. Here is the demonstration of Sirasasana and Padma Sirasasana. Ekapadasana, tree pose. As the entire body is balanced on the single leg, it comes under balancing asanas. It activates the right and left hemispheres of the brain. This improves concentration. Sharvangasana, shoulder stand. It is considered to be the queen of asanas. The Sirasasana and Sharvangasana comes under the inverted postures in yoga. The most common benefits of these are it builds immunity. It helps in balancing the hormone, especially the thyroid hormone. Matsyasana, the fish pose. Matsyasana is the counter pose for Sharvangasana. It is the chest opening posture which maintains the strength and health of the lungs by increasing its capacity. Chakrasana, the wheel pose. It is the spine strengthening posture which helps to improve the flexibility. Pakshimottanasana, forward bend pose. This asana stretches and strengthens the entire spine. It stimulates the secretions of pancreas. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. It strengthens the entire upper part of the spine and increases the lung capacity. Purna Bhujangasana. Salabhasana, locust pose. It helps in proper function of the kidney and maintains the health of our lower spine. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Dhanurasana massages the abdominal organs and improves the health. Akarna Dhanurasana, bow and arrow pose. Akarna Dhanurasana comes under the twisting posture. It channelizes the entire nerve system by stimulating the brain's function, which helps to improve the concentration. Here are some of the basic breathing techniques to support our respiratory system. Preliminary breathing, the balloon breathing. All the 5 lobes of the lungs are oxygenated. The sinus passage are activated. Dog breathing, which helps to cleanse our throat and the toxins from the lungs are expelled out. Shavasana. Without Shavasana, the yoga practice never gets fulfilled, as the entire benefit of each asana are channelized throughout the body in Shavasana. It is the best relaxation posture. Ubhavishta Konasana. Purna Salabhasana. Titibhasana.
Here we come to end of session. Now click on to the Google form and choose the right answer to check with your memory and concentration. I thank board members, principal and teachers for giving this golden opportunity. Once again, thank you all.